Okay, guys, today we are going to be playing a wild Kratts game. Shorts. Hey, quit trying to beat me. Deep blue blips. Dips. Equals a unicorn. Ah, ah, I don't want to be a stunt driver making donuts. Oh no, that's even fun. Wait. Ah! Oh, hi, unicorn. I don't want one in my face. No, come on. Just skip. Give me the perfect. Ah, so let's do this. Ah, ah, I got my shark. Oh my gosh. I got my shark. I want to be my shark. Oh my gosh. Did the shark eat me or did I actually eat a shark? Oh gosh. Okay, first let's. Oh, you can just do this. Okay. Okay, so let's turn into the flying fish and then the shark. Okay, shark. Shark doesn't work. Okay, there we go. I move faster underwater. Wait, let's compare. Yeah, I definitely move faster. Oh, maybe I move slower. Oh wait, now I can eat kelp. Mmm. Ah, ah. Oh no, I need to be skinnier. Ah, oh, good, good. There we go. Ah, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, 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 cow. Okay. Arrow points to that kill, and the arrow points to wait, blind fish. And if I turn into the shark, okay, it doesn't change. All right. Oh gosh, no, no! I wanted to be a fast shark. Come on, I couldn't be a fast shark like this. Oh, oh my god, I'm so tiny. Oh my gosh, who is this tiny in the world? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Wait, ah, dang it. Wait, first. How does a man fit in this tiny of an area? Oh my gosh. Okay, nobody ever do that except if you're a unicorn. Stop trying to eat me! Stop trying to eat me, you stupid sharks! Fine, want to eat your own kind? Fine. And then let's turn into you gotta be kidding me. I can't go down in the shark territory. If I'm a fish, I can. But if I'm a shark, I can't. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, do 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 do. Hey, quit. You want fun? Be sure you guys don't talk. Oh my gosh, we need three more. Why is there one right next to it? That doesn't make any sense. But you can dance. I'm I'm slapping him in the face with my tail. Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. Ah, Savannah, I wanna be a beautiful unicorn. Ah, Savannah, I'm gonna be ski baba. Da 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 da. I'm a bouncy fish. I'm a bouncy fish. I'm a bouncy. So, who wants a screwdriver? Oh wow. Okay. Can I turn it to? Oh wow. I'm hideous. Okay, I guess I'm gonna turn into you and then turn into you and then go down. Oh gosh, I got some. Oops, number two, number two, number two, number two, number two. I'll click on that. Okay, I think I got it now. Okay, it's harder to see, but I'm fine. What if I turn in? Okay, who is next? I think this is to complete the level. Are you kidding me? I don't want to slam my head into rocks. Are you kidding me? Just come on, let's go. Move it, move it. We got the team on the line here. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I don't like this late. You guys just don't understand. Oh my gosh. Come on, come on, come on. You want me? Oh, you want me? You want me? You want me? Some of me? Want some? Oh, come on, come on, guys. You can be better than this. What at least? Now it's time to be a big fat shark. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I love it! I love it! This is such a glitch. Oh, there I go. Oh, come on, stop eating my planes. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of sharks. Hey, why don't you bother him instead of me? Why do you bother me and not him? That is not making any sense. Stupid sharks. You won't care about yourself. And four. At least I can see underwater. One more. My fingers hurt. Jesus, take the wheel. Take it from my hands. Come on. Come on, bros. I thought you were better than this. Oh, have you ever seen a shark eating kelp? Bet not. This is last game. Time limit? What was it? What the? Oh my gosh. Oh, wait, it's counting down. Oh no, I need to get back to my area. Oh gosh. Two. Come on, come on, come on. Let me feel, let me feel. Um, oh wait, what? Okay, okay. Two. This is how much I can do in a few minutes. Oh, oh, I found one clips. Oh my gosh, found one clip. Why is there so many in the shark areas? Do you want me to go slow? Okay, okay. What? It's not letting me get there. So that's gonna wrap it up for today, and I'll see you in the next video.